Gio Mama Gio Gio Mama Gio Choo Mama Choo Mama Choo.
We're here today protesting outside the Senate House. We're SRC candidates, we're also political parties, but we're also just general students. A decision was taken by the University Council without consulting students. It's a decision that affects every single one of us, and it's not something that can be taken without student consultation. At the end of the day, this is a student organization. It is an institution that supports students.
But this is not just about this one policy. Look, we've asked for bus shelters, we've asked for bus to breathe. It's a student voice. They're saying we are continuously not being taken seriously.
Amandla! Amandla! We are serenade, man, you know.
Students and all political parties affiliated with the SRC elections, we're saying we want to boycott elections because there are certain policies that management has passed without considering us or taking us into account and how we feel about them. And we feel that it will cause racial, financial and other divisions among students. And as such, we wanted a bigger population to be present, but we realized that we're not too small to make a difference. They will feel us no matter how small we are. And we're saying going into the future, they should consider us and everything that we feel, because this is our environment. This is an institution for students first, and then after anyone else. Any decision on the student should be made through the student or by the student. We understand the position that management hold, and we're saying we respect them gratefully so. But also in future, guys, please make reference to us and we can help you along to make this institution better. Thank you.
That we start speaking about it on Twitter, promise we know how to trend when we are fighting one another. Can we trend when we are fighting these people that are here?